As you know, here in the Test Kitchen, we love celebrating all sorts of special days, especially the ones that are a bit off the wall. With that being said, I want to let you know that tomorrow is National Men Make Dinner Day. It's a day when guys are in charge of what goes on the table. It may sound like all fun and games, but there are a few rules you have to follow. For instance, men must do all the shopping, and it can't be cooked on the grill. So to help all the guys who don't know where to start, I figured I would share a dish that is bacony delicious. We start by placing an onion in the cavity of a large roasting chicken, and then we rub it with a mixture of butter and seasonings. To take this over the top, we place 4 slices of thick-cut bacon over the chicken, and then we sort of weave 4 more slices with them, like this. Pour on some chicken broth, and we pop it in the oven. While it cooks, we can make a salad and set the table. When the bacon is all crispy and the chicken is juicy tender through and through, it's time to ring the dinner bell. The recipe for our bacon roasted chicken is online now, so you can have it in time for National Men Make Dinner Day. Oh, there's another rule I forgot to mention. We have to do all the dishes. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a manly kind of way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."